Episode 7, Decimals. We have two parts. Part 3, Place Value, and Part 4, Value. How to identify the place value of a digit? So, in decimal. So, steps, locate the digit. Start reading the place value of the digits from the decimal point going to the right up to the located digit. Example number 1. What is the place value of 9 in 8 and 239 10,000ths? So first, we have to locate the digits. So we have 9. Then, let us start reading or giving the place value of each digit from left to right, starting from the decimal point. So we have tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So the answer is 10,000s. Example number 2. What is the place value of the underlined digit in 1 and 806,000? So this time, we have an underlined digit. So we don't need to locate it because it is already given. So now let us give or write the place value of each digit from the decimal point. So we have tenths, then hundreds. So the answer is hundreds. Now, how to give the value of a digit of a decimal. So, decimal pa rin po tayo. So, we have steps. Locate the digit. Write the digit in symbol or in words. Then, write the digit's place value. So, ganun lamang po. Example number 1. What is the value of 7 in 6 and 4,907 10,000ths? So first, we need to locate the digit. So we have 7. Then let us give the place value of each digit from right of the decimal point up to the located digit or the given digit. So we have tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Then in writing the answer, write first the number. So we have 7. Then write the place value. So we have 7 10,000s, or we can use 7 10,000s or 7 10,000. So we can write it in 3 different ways. Example number 2. What is the value of the underlined digit in 1 and 826,000? So this time we have again an underlined digit. So then let us locate or write its place value. So we have tenths, hundreds. So then we write in answering, we write the number first. So we have 300s or 300s or 300. So pare-pareho lang yung basa kasi isa lang naman yung value, but we can write it in 3 different. We have here another strategy on how to give the value of a digit. So step number 1, locate the digit. Replace the whole number with a 0 regardless of the place value of that whole number. Then copy the decimal point. Number 3, from left to right, replace all the digits with 0 except the located digit. And then if there are still digits to the right of the located digit, drop or remove them. To illustrate that, we have example number 1. What is the value of the underlined digit in 51,000 and 8,236 10,000s? So we have here the number. So as discussed or provided in the steps, we have the whole number. We will write it as 0. Then, yung mga numbers dun sa decimal natin, bago yung underline digit o yung located digit, gagawin nating 0. So, yan na po yun. Then, we will copy the located digit. So, we have 2. Then, we have here still numbers, 36. So, sabi nga, lahat ng numbers na nasa kanan ng located digit ay idadrop na natin. So, dadrop na natin yan at may iwan na lang yan. So, ang answer natin ay 200s. So that will be all. Thank you and God bless.